cutlet. Ingredients are mashed potato, green peas, onion, carrot, chili powder, garam masala, salt, all-purpose flour, breadcrumbs, oil, ginger garlic paste. Take some cooked vegetables and potato. Salt the onion. Then add ginger garlic paste. Then add the cooked vegetables. Next, add the mashed potatoes. Mix well. Add garam masala, chili powder and salt. Mix very well. When the mixture is ready, keep it aside for cooling. Make some breadcrumbs. Then put some all-purpose flour in a bowl. Then add some water and mix it well. Next we can prepare the cutlet. I'm making round cutlets. So I'm taking the mixture and making it round and dipping it in the flour liquid, and then I'm putting in the breadcrumbs and keeping it in a plate. I'm preparing more cutlets like this. Take a kadai, pour some oil for frying. Then fry the cutlets. After some time, when it's brown, flip it. When it's brown, you can take it and eat it. Our cutlet is ready. Let us taste it. So crispy. I like it so much. It's easy and delicious. Thanks for watching my video and subscribe.